Let's learn fruits. Welcome to Think Like Jahnavi. Apple. This is apple. Mango. This is mango. Orange. This is orange. Grapes. This is grapes. Pomegranate. This is pomegranate. Banana. This is banana. Strawberry. This is strawberry. Papaya. This is papaya. Pineapple. This is pineapple. Watermelon. This is watermelon. Guava. This is guava. Cherries. This is cherry. Custard apple. This is custard apple. Avocado. This is avocado. Sweet lime. This is sweet lime. Fig. This is fig. Muskmelon. This is muskmelon. Pear. This is pear. Chiku or sapodilla.